Healing the Immune System, a guide by Simonton, MD. Begin by relaxing and getting into a comfortable position. If you have on glasses, you might remove them. Take a deep breath, and as you breathe out, mentally say, "Relax," to yourself. With every breath, allow yourself to become a little more relaxed. As you relax, allow yourself to feel safe, comfortable, and protected. With every breath, allow yourself to become more relaxed and release any tension that you may be feeling in your jaw. You might open your jaw widely and then let it relax. Let your breath send waves of relaxation all over your body. Relax the muscles of your face. Gently tell them to relax. Relax your neck, your shoulders, your arms, and your hands. Relax your chest and also the contents of your chest, your lungs, and your heart. Let your stomach relax and all the organs of your abdominal cavity. Just let them relax. Let your pelvis, your legs, and your feet relax. Think about being safe and comfortable and protected. Feeling calm, appreciate what a pleasurable state you are in. How good it feels to be relaxed, safe, comfortable, and protected. Appreciate how these feelings, the feeling of safety, the feeling of comfort, the feeling of protection, the feeling of pleasure, are registered in your brain, in the old parts of your brain. These are very old parts of us, and as these feelings are registered, they stimulate an old portion of the brain known as the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is the part of the brain that regulates most of the major systems of the body. Think about how these emotions influence your heart to beat more regularly, your breathing to be easy, your metabolism to be perfectly regulated. Allow yourself, as your body becomes more and more in harmony, to feel warmth spreading over your entire body. Everything is bathed by the wonderful, smooth workings of your balanced circulatory system. Now begin to imagine how these messages of calm, protection, comfort, and pleasure are transferred to your pituitary through direct nervous impulses and by chemicals that are released through your bloodstream. Both stimulate the pituitary, which then releases its chemicals into the bloodstream. These chemicals communicate harmony, calm, protection, comfort, and pleasure, as they are secreted from your pituitary into your bloodstream, spreading throughout your body and coming in contact with one of the primary target organs, your adrenal glands. Your adrenal glands, which sit in your abdominal cavity right on top of your kidneys, are getting messages of calm, protection, comfort, and pleasure. Imagine your adrenal glands responding to these messages and then producing their very potent hormones. They're potent chemicals, which are released into your bloodstream and in turn regulate just the right pressure appropriate for calm, comfort, protection, and pleasure. Imagine the influence on your white blood cells as they receive the appropriate input from all of these different sources of calm, comfort, protection, and pleasure. These waves of chemicals bathe every cell in your body with messages of calm, pleasure, protection, and comfort. Imagine this happening throughout your entire body with great ease and with the naturalness with which it was intended. And now appreciate how these mechanisms have worked in us all our lifetimes, in the lifetimes of our parents, our grandparents, our great-grandparents, and even our ancient ancestors before recorded history. Appreciate the intricate workings of your body and appreciate yourself for being involved in your own health. Now, begin to become more aware of the room you are in, the temperature, the amount of light, the sound. When you are ready, open your eyes and begin to appreciate how this works. Imagine how fear would cause a very different reaction. The same systems and the same organs would be involved, but the reaction would be very different. Fear would be registered in different portions of your hypothalamus, causing a firing of different portions of your hypothalamus, releasing different chemicals and causing a very different message to be sent to the pituitary and very different chemicals to pour out of the pituitary. This would affect the target organs, the adrenal glands, very differently, causing a response appropriate to the emotion of fear. This would be a very different effect from the emotion of calm, comfort, and protection. And what if our fear is fear of our job, fear of our boss, fear of work, fear of life itself? What if these fears are bottled up in us and we don't even know what they are? We can begin to see the incredible toll this takes on our bodies. It is important to be understanding and patient with these mechanisms, which are subtle and intricate. It takes diligence to understand and apply these concepts that influence your health. The work is sometimes hard, sometimes easy. It can be very joyful, even when it is very hard, and it is most rewarding, deeply rewarding, and deeply fulfilling.